So last class we discussed memory representation of stacks. Okay, in that memory representation of stack we have two types. One is static memory representation, another one is dynamic memory representation. So that is very important for 3 months. So next concept in the stack data structure is operations on stack or operations on stack. Okay, what is stack principle? We have last in first out or first in last out. Okay, whatever we inserted first, that will be first which is inserted, that is the last element, it will be outcoming. Okay, so this principle we call as stack principle. This principle we call as what? Stack principle. Based on that particular stack principle, the given definition, stack is a linear data structure or abstract data structure. We call it as stack. Abstract means a linear data structure where the data elements are inserted and deleted takes place at one position, that is called as top position. Because in stack, for the insertion of the new element and deletion of the existing element takes place in one position, that's what they call as first in last out. First in last out or last in first out or first in last out. This is the principle of stack. Now we have operations on stack. Based on this principle, they discuss some of the operations. Those are stack, push, pop, peek, is empty and size. These are the different operations performed based on the stack linear data structure. So these particular braces represent function. We discussed already in the first year. These particular braces we are considered as a function. Okay, whenever we need to perform any operation in the stack, definitely that should be a parenthesis. Braces we need to use for the along with the operation, because these are the different operations of the stack. Now there are many operations on stack. In the first one is stack. So whenever we need to insert or delete element, definitely there is some space for the to place the elements in a data structure. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ಇಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. Stack, it is an operation on stack. It is used to create a empty stack data structure. It is used to create a empty stack data structure. It is not requiring any parameters. Here we are passing parameter. Parameter andre data we are passing. Okay. So here there is no parameters required to create a empty data structure, and also it is not returning it is not returning anything to the user. Understood? That is called as first operation on the stack. Stack is an operation on stack used to create a empty data structure. And here there is no required for the parameter, and also it is not returning anything to the user. Understood? That is the first operation on the stack. Next one is push operation. Push operation is also called as insertion. Push is also called as what? Insertion. Okay. Now idರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು operations on arrays ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ already. Insertion. Same process only we are calling it as push. Push is also an operation on stack. Push is also an operation on stack. It is used to pass a new data item into the existing data structure. It is used to pass a new data item into the existing data structure, that is called as stack. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಮೊದಲು, ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೀಗ ಹೊಸ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we need to use operation called as push. Okay, so here we are passing a new element, then definitely it requires a parameter, that is called as item, that is data item. ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಳಿಸೋದು ಏನು ಡೇಟಾ ಐಟಮ್. So that's what it requires a parameter. It requires what? Parameter, and it is not returning anything to the user. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, because we are storing the data in a data structure. That's what it is not returning anything to the user. new data item into the stack data structure. It requires a parameter and it is not returning anything to the user. That is the second operation. So then next one is pop. Pop means delete. Pop means deletion or delete. Okay. Allirona delete madadಕ್ಕೆ pop ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So here there is no parameter required because whatever data we need to delete, then select it and delete it. That is the process of your pop operation. Pop is an operational stack used to delete a existing data item in the stack data structure. It is used to delete a existing data item from the stack data structure. Stack data structure ಅಲ್ಲಿ already ಇರುವಂತಹ data item ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ delete ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ we use pop is the operation. It is not supposed to consider any parameter. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೇಟಾ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೇಟಾ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here we are not inserting, just we are deleting the existing data item. That's what we are not passing any parameter to the stack. And it return a data item. It return a data item to the user. ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Which is the element we deleted, that element is returned to the user. So that's why it return a some value to the user. Understood? So next one is peak. Peak means the peak level ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Peak ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Top most level ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay? So top most level we call as peak. Peak is a operational stack. Peak is also a operational stack used to return a topmost item from the stack. Used to return a topmost item from the stack, and here also there is no parameter required and it is not modified. Okay, it is not modified. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, because that is the top element. We can't insert and we can't delete. That is the top element. The topmost element we call as what? Peak. Okay, it returns a peak element, that is top element of the stack. It is not supposed to return, sorry, it is not considered any parameter to insert, but also it is not returning anything, and it will be not modified for the user. ಅಂದ್ರೆ modify ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That is called as peak. Once again I repeat, peak is an operational stack used to return a topmost item from the stack. Topmost item from the stack, and here there is no parameters required and it is not supposed to modify. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸರ್ modify ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ because it is a top element. Next one is empty. It is very easily can identify is empty. The name itself enough. Is empty means it is a operational stack. Is empty is also a operational stack that return whether the data element is there or not in the stack. Stack ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So how it will be written? If it is written 1, there is a data element. If it is written 0, then there is no data elements in the stack. These two are the Boolean values. These two are the Boolean values. This is already we discussed with the Boolean algebra. Okay. So is empty is an operational stack. It is used to return a whether the stack is empty or not. Whether the stack is empty or not, that will be identified by the help of your is empty operation. Understood? Next one is last one, size. Size is also an operational stack. Size is also an operational stack. It return number of element present in a stack. It return number of element present in a stack. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. whether elements is there, it returns an integer value. Means it returns, for example, 20 elements are there in the stack, then it returns size is 20. Okay, this is called as what? Integer value. Integer value. So it returns an integer value to the user. Okay, so 20 elements ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 20 ಅನ್ನೋದು integer value, so that will be returned. But is empty is a return Boolean value. So 1 it is written, then there is a element. 0 it returns, there is no elements in the stack. So these are the different operations on the stack. It is very important for 3 marks. Okay, so based on the operation we have two algorithms here, push and pop. How to insert a value to the stack and how to delete an element from the stack. stack. That will be identified by the help of push and pop operation. First, we consider as a push is the algorithm. We need to pass the element into the stack data structure. Okay. Now, algorithm for push operation. It is very important for 5 marks. Okay. Write an algorithm for push operation in stack. What is push mean? Push, we know that it is an insertion. What is the purpose we need to use insertion here? To insert a new element or new data item into the stack data structure. See, one thing we need to remember, before inserting any element into the stack, we need to check whether the space is there or not in the stack. Stack alli space idre ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If there is no space, we can't insert the element. That will be checked by the help of one of the condition, that is top is equal to n minus 1. Then it will check the overflow. It will check the overflow. That means whether the space is there, then we can insert. If there is no space, then if we insert the element, then it will be overflow. That is another condition. Now, so here, so algorithm called as stack algorithm, we are using for the inserting element into the stack. Here stack is the name of the data structure and top is called as pointer used to return a or inserting a top element of the stack, and size represent number of elements in the stack, and item represent data item which is we are inserted. How element insert ಮಾಡ್ತದನ್ನ ನಾವು item ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So we need to write this term meaning after the algorithm. Now first we are checking the condition. Why we need to check whether the space is there is not in the data structure. That we need to check first. If top is equal to n minus 1, you know in array we have elements 0 to n minus 1. N minus 1 andre ಏನು last element. Understood? That is the last element. So after that there is no elements, we can't insert the other element after the n minus 1. That means if top is equal to n minus 1, then stack is what? Full. Stack already full ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Next we can't insert a element. So that we call checks the overflow. It checks the overflow. Then if tab is equal to n minus 1, then tag is full. We can't insert the element. Then it is automatically terminated or exit. Okay, end of the if condition. If this condition is false, the condition wrong ಆದರೆ, that means what? Stack ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು space ಇದೆ, we can insert. So before inserting the element, tab ಅಲ್ಲಿ element ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ನಾವು? Top plus ಟಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟಾಪ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಇದು ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Is the top. Okay, we can't insert there itself. We need to insert next position. Top plus 1 position ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟಾಪ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So top plus 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ empty space ಇದೆ. So we need to create, whenever we need to insert a new element into the stack, first we need to create a empty space at the top position. We need to create empty space for the element top position. So here we have created top empty position. Then in the top position, in the top place, so the top plus 1 is equal to top is equal to ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, top plus 1 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ? So now stack of top is equal to item. Stack of top ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, 30 ಅನ್ನೋ ಐಟಮ್ ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. This element we are inserted now top position. So after inserting, it will be return. Which element we are inserted? 30 is the element where we are inserted at top position. Before inserting, we need to identify which element we are inserted and where we are inserted. First we need to create an empty space for the stack data structure. Understood? So this is called as push algorithm of the stack data structure. It's very important for 5 marks. We need to explain top elements. Okay, stack means empty data structure we need to create. Top means pointer used to insert a top element of the stack. Size represents number of